Hello everyone, Chester here. In today's video we have two scammers who start off sticking to their script, but love is in the air and let's see what happens. And can I apologise for the poor sound quality? Not my fault. Scammers need to invest in better equipment for the benefit of our listening pleasure. Thanks once again and hope you enjoy.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, I can hear
Hi,
you.
this is Officer Frank Smith. I am from the Social Security Administration. How are you doing today?
Sorry, I cannot hear you properly. Are you in a speakerphone?
So, I'm saying that my name is Officer Frank Smith. I am from the Social Security Administration. How are you doing today?
Can you help me out from which location you are calling?
I am from the South Texas, south border of Texas.
No, I'm asking what is your actual location?
My zip code, my recent zip code, right? That's 72715.
Are you from India? Are you from Pakistan? Or which location?
I am from the Social Security Administration, ma'am. I have just received an email stating that you have killed 3 people.
I know you are not from the Social Security. Just let me know from which location you are calling me.
I am from the south border of Texas, ma'am. You have killed 3 people, the innocent people. Am I right? So we are gonna send those U.S. Marshal as well as some police so that they will caught you in 24 hours, okay? Just get ready.
Nice try.
Okay, just take your time, just love it, okay? Your bad days are coming. Just kidding,
Good
okay?
try.
Just kidding, ma'am. I'm just kidding, ma'am. How are you?
Now
ma'am?
let me know from which location
Yes,
you are
ma'am. Can you
working
have-
right now.
I'm from India, ma'am.
In which city?
I cannot tell you that, but how are you?
Me, because I'm also working in this type of office, so I know.
Oh, all right. So, okay. So, where are you from?
I'm in Delhi right now. Where are you?
No. I mean to say, at which state are you right now in India?
Oh, from the Mumbai.
Mumbai. All right. So, what tribe are you?
I'm sorry?
Like, what tribe are you? Tribe. Are you in Hindu, Muslim, Christian?
Hindu.
Hindu, right? What's your name?
My real name, I cannot provide that, you know that.
Yes, I do know that. So, what do you use mostly in your office?
Sorry?
Like, probably, what do you use your name in the office?
Alice.
Alice, nice name, ma'am. My name is Brian. I use Brian, okay? My stage name is different, but I cannot hear you, as you know. So, how is your work doing?
Actually, first of all, your headphone is not working in good condition because I cannot hear you properly.
Oh, okay, mine. You're talking about mine?
Yeah, I'm talking about your headphone. Your voice is not clear. Whenever you call to customer, they cannot listen to you clearly. So your calls has been disconnected for this reason also.
All right. I'm so sorry about that, and thank you for your concern, okay? Thank you for your concern. Anyways, what process are you doing right now in Mumbai?
Amazon.
So how many staff do you have?
Sorry?
How many staff do you have in your office?
In this month, it's 8. That's it.
All right. It seems like you're not Hindu because your accent sounds like different. But I wouldn't say that.
Can you just let me know my accent is like Indian accent or any other language?
Yeah. Besides Indian, you're a part of from Northeast, I guess so. I probably
No.
like
I'm not
believe
from the
that.
northeast. I'm truly from the Mumbai. I'm working in a Delhi
Mhm.
just because Mumbai is my hometown, so I cannot work in that place. You know,
All right.
family and friends
Yeah, I got you.
problem. That's why I'm in the
Yeah.
Delhi.
I have friends. I have a lot of friends from Mumbai as well as Delhi. So at Delhi, recently, where are you staying? The location?
Location in
Yes.
which location I can see. I really don't know because I just shifted in this location last 1 month. Dwarka.
Mhm.
This location name is Dwarka.
Okay. Yeah, I got you. Dwarka. Okay.
Mm.
So, how is your work going? Did you got sale today?
No, it's very boring. We are not working in a good way. Social is the best option
Alright.
actually. I worked in a
Alright.
social before 2 years.
All right. So, like, are you like single or are you a couple?
Sorry,
Why
but you
you're
know that we cannot.
why you're laughing?
Because if I am a single, so what is the benefit for you?
No, I'm just asking you because you sound good, sweet. So, just asking you whether you're single or in a relationship.
No, I'm a single right now.
All right. Okay. So, can you give me your like IG or WhatsApp?
Don't do this. This line is not safe, you know
What?
very well.
I know that. But can you like tell me your number, your cell phone number?
Oh, no, I don't like to provide this, but can you just help me out with your Insta ID? So I'll message you from my side.
You just no. You just tell me it's okay.
Sorry?
You just tell me your IG name.
No, I cannot provide that information.
It's okay because our line is not being recorded. Okay. You know well, I guess.
Okay. Yeah.
So just
Okay.
let me know
Now we
your
can
name.
hang up this call.
Why?
Bye bye.
Are you not gonna give me?
No. Better like next
Why?
time.
Okay. Take mine. Okay.
Bye.
Right. Ilopu IME. Okay.
I cannot hear you properly.
Ilopu.
Hello.
ILO. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Okay. So, can you grab a piece of pen and paper so that you can note down my number?
Yes, please.
Do not share to anyone, okay?
Definitely. I know that.
All right.
So what's your number?
Okay. So, take it.
Hello.
Yeah.
There is so
98.
much background noise. I cannot hear you anything.
Okay, can you hear me now? 98
Yeah.
21
9821
24
24 6756. It's a 98212467. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. I'll
Okay, have a
message you
great day.
after log out.
Okay.
And yes, rest of YouTube will be messaging you as well.